Did you know that Jesus once walked 7 miles with two people who didn't even recognize him? It was Easter Sunday. Two disciples trudged along the dusty road from Jerusalem to Emmaus. Their hearts were broken. Jesus was dead. Their hope was gone. A stranger appeared beside them, asking about their sadness. "Don't you know what happened?" they said. "Jesus of Nazareth. We thought he would save Israel, but they crucified him 3 days ago." The stranger walked with them, explaining the scriptures, how the Messiah had to suffer before his glory. Their hearts grew warm as he spoke. Evening came. "Stay with us," they invited him. At dinner, the stranger took bread. He blessed it. He broke it. Suddenly they saw the nail scars on his hands. Jesus. Their eyes widened in wonder. But when they looked up, he was gone. They had been walking with the risen Christ all along. Sometimes Jesus is closest when we don't even realize he's there. In your darkest moments, look closer. He may be walking right beside you.